What do you know about art? Flowers? Windmills? Picturesque canals? Cheese? Why, hello there. I didn't see you sitting there. You know, art, like beauty, truly is in the eye of the beholder. Like when my dearly departed mother framed my very first finger painting. Oh, mother. We here at the Baron Bird Art Gallery all agree upon one thing. You think art is exclusive, but we know art can be affordable. Art is for everyone. Art is not just limited to the upper crust or the privileged few. Art can be for all ages.
Look, little box with a gingerbread cookie on its head.
Children at an art gallery, and our wine will be in sippy cups.
It's okay. He doesn't shop here. You say boutique, we say upstairs. You say alternative, we say kitchenware. You say independent, we say a way of life. Won't you join me upstairs?